but people often don't cache it. You understand? Again, log 2 times allows us to collect more artifacts. I showed you how to use log 2 times over here to collect user assist, right? What is user assist? User assist is where we see all your activity, right? Again, the key I included those key and the tables in the file on registry module. Look at this one. This is what I use log 2 time to collect recycler information, artifacts. That way we know who deleted what and when they deleted it. You understand what I'm saying? Why? Because now we enter into recycler and then we enter into this. This is everybody's SID, right? So by entering into this, I can collect all the activity for this user and then get out, get into another SID, collect all that, get out, get into another user SID, and just continue to append all of this to the body file. Does that make any sense? Same thing over here for system volume information. Same thing here for recent artifacts. See? All right? Same thing here for application. There's a lot we can do over here. This is for Firefox. SQLite. I want you guys to play around with this file. And I also put the big documentation over here that actually talks in depth about log 2 time itself. This is log 2 timeline style. Just show you the details and tell you a little information about it. And then when you get towards the end here, and don't get overwhelmed by all this, I don't need you to get into the science of log 2 times. All right? So you can skip all this section. Forget about how to install it as well. Now you get to this point, I want you to kind of pay attention over here. Know what log 2 timeline does and what time scanner also does. Then you can read about this so you understand what this file is actually doing. Again, remember it's a Perl script, and then you have creating a super timeline, right? This is what I typed earlier for you in the class. You understand? And then followed by run the time scan line over here. Very similar to what I did for you in the class as well. Again, the command over here. And then run any other tools capable of extracting timeline. And that was why I run break time earlier in the class. You can gather as many information as possible. But remember what we talked about earlier on, it really doesn't matter what information you gather. Look at your internet history here. Right? That's very, very critical. I wanted to go through this and make sure you go over this. If you have any questions, please, I will be more than happy to take a look at it. I created some video over here on Super Timeline and of course on Windows, timeline here. Any question? One thing you want to do about this exam 1 is get your super timeline. You understand? One thing you can do is, first of all, you can actually get your regular mark time, just your standard mark time, and then get another super timeline. But before you do anything here, read the story, understand the story, and you should be fine. Again, read the story, understand the story, and you should be fine. When we meet after spring break, this is what we're going to begin over. We glossed over a little bit of, where's our registry over here? We've glossed over this a little bit coming up here. This should be under
portal there. All right, good.